have 1 diamond? That's so little.
Don't complain. I got -2. At least you got 1.
I guess I'm gonna have to choose to marry a rich man. Although I wanted to be single, but I only have 1 diamond.
Hello, I'm gonna be taking care of your wedding with Mr. Liam.
Where did you come from?
Liam hired me. He said he can't wait for you to be his wife.
Can't wait? How old is this guy?
Relax, he's 21.
21? He's younger than me. I don't want to marry someone younger than me.
It's too late now. You can't cancel the wedding.
How are you expecting me to sign this contract without even knowing what he looks like?
Mr. Liam requested this, and he also wants it to be a secret.
That's so weird. What if he's a criminal?
Don't worry, I guarantee you he's not a bad person. Now let's sign the agreement.
Okay. 10 million? Why don't I have enough diamonds? Now I have to pick the stupid black card. I'm just gonna throw it away. It's useless.
Are you crazy? Why would you throw that card away? You can use it to buy anything in this world. Didn't you know that?
Wait, really? I'm almost late.
Excuse me, your card fell on the floor.
Oh, yes, thank you. By the way, since you helped me find this card, do you want to have coffee somewhere?
Yeah, sure. Thank you for inviting me, by the way. Before I leave, can I get your Instagram?
Yes. Sorry, I can't. I don't have enough diamonds.
It's okay. I can give you mine and you can just follow me.
That's a really good idea. I'm so glad I met this guy. He's so handsome.
Amara, come downstairs. Your future husband's here to see you.
Future husband? Oh yeah, I'm gonna get married soon, but I don't want to marry Liam. I want to marry the guy from the coffee shop. Huh? This means I can run away from this marriage. Yes!
I'm still alive and we all need your help to avoid the teacher.
Wait, so you faked your death?
Yes, because we wanted to save Sarah. I think she really died because she got poisoned.
So you didn't die because of the lunch I gave you?
No, in fact, I went to your house to ask for more food because it was so delicious. Hey, who's there?
Shoot, we have to go. Thank God we got out before him seeing us.
How are we supposed to save Sarah? She's the president's daughter. If he finds out she got poisoned, no one knows what he's gonna do.
You think she died because she got poisoned, right?
Yes.
I have to see her last meal. That's the only way I can find out. Let's go back in there. Oh yeah, I have to use these glasses first.
What's her last meal, Amara?
What?
What's wrong?
It looks like she's eaten a lot of different things. But these foods are the same as our teacher and Alyssa's foods.
Okay, you know what to do, right? Hey, Amara, don't you hate staying at school for this long?
I should be asking you this question. You don't have any relationship with our teacher, do you?
Me? No. Why do you ask?
Because you two always eat the same meals.
Are you really suspecting me right now? I thought you were better than this.
I feel so sleepy, Mom.
Amara, where have you been? It's so late.
I was out with friends.
Hurry up and go to bed. You have school tomorrow.
What food are you making tomorrow?
I'm making steak.
Yes! Mom, I'm going to school.
Honey, there's no school today. Just stay at home and help me clean.
No school? Why?
I saw the announcement on TV that the president's daughter is dead. Oh no, they found out.
Why did she die?
I don't know, but 2 of your friends got arrested because they suspect that they killed her.
You mean Emma and Lily? I have to go.
Quickly look for Stephanie's heart.
Her heart wasn't found?
No, it was stolen by someone.
Sir, did you?
Shh, if you report me to the police, you'll regret it. Make sure you keep it a secret.
Alyssa, you have to help me.
Help you with what?
You ate Stephanie's heart too?
I've been waiting for this moment. Me and our teacher both wanted her dead because she's a spoiled brat.
What's wrong with you? You've changed so much. I'm gonna tell the police.
You don't have any proof. Excuse me, miss. Why are you here? We're doing an investigation.
I know who killed Stephanie. It was Alyssa and my teacher. I have a recording of them both confessing.
I can't believe this. This is all the evidence we need. Thank you so much. You're amazing.
White flower or red flower? This is the first time I've seen a red flower, so I'm gonna pick it.
Honey, pick the white flower, please.
But why? Our whole house is filled with white flowers. I'm kind of bored of seeing them.
Our family really respects white flowers, so you can't choose anything else.
Okay.
Wait, don't open the plastic.
Why not?
Because of the smell of the flower.
But I'm really curious how it smells like.
No, the flower has no smell, so it's useless if you open it.
Okay. Hello everyone, what flower did you pick?
We all got red flowers, didn't you?
No, I chose white because my mom told me to.
Huh? You chose? Didn't you get it straight away?
No, I got 2 options between white and red.
You must be special in that case because no one gets to choose. I chose the white flower and it really smells good.
Wait, you chose the white flower? That means I wasn't the only one who got a choice.
It smells really good. Try smell it.
Okay.
Honey, I told you not to open the plastic.
But my friend did and nothing happened.
You're different.
Kelly? Kelly!
Kelly's barely breathing. Call an ambulance.
Yes, sir.
Kelly died from inhaling the white flowers. What about Amara? She also has a white flower, but she hasn't died.
I haven't smelled the flower yet. My mom doesn't let me.
I just noticed this white flower. It smells really good.
Quickly, throw it away!
Why are you acting like that? Wait, I feel dizzy.
Are you okay?
Amara, you have to throw that flower away now.
I'm not allowed. I'm not even allowed to open it.
Kelly and Jessie both died from smelling that flower. You don't want anyone else dying, do you? Here, let me throw it for you.
Mom, do you have to come with me to school? I always go alone.
I have to come watch you. It turns out you threw away the flower.
Yes, because my friend said it's dangerous.
I told you you're different. Anyway, I picked up the flower again. Thankfully, it didn't get destroyed.
Thanks.
All students are expected to gather in the field now.
Mom, I have to go. The teacher needs me.
There's been a lot of death because of the white flowers. 20 people have died. 20? But how? We have to do a search and see which one of you has the white flower.
Sir, my stomach hurts. I need to go to the toilet.
Okay, hurry up.
Thank God it's safe here. There's something strange about this flower. I have to prove it by smelling it. I'm really curious what it smells like. See what's on my dad's phone or see what's on my boyfriend's phone? I don't want to see what's on my dad's phone, so I'll choose to see what's on my boyfriend's phone.
So you chose to see what's on your boyfriend's phone?
Yep.
So did Sarah, but she doesn't even have a boyfriend, which means she's not going to be seeing anyone's phones.
I don't know why she would choose that in the first place.
What did you choose, Amara?
To see what's on my boyfriend's phone.
But isn't that very toxic of you? You should give your boyfriend privacy. You can't just go through his phone like that.
Why'd you even care?
Hey, babe.
Hey!
You want to get lunch?
Yeah, sure.
By the way, babe, you didn't choose to see what's on my phone, did you?
Of course not, babe.
Good. Remember the promise we made that we wouldn't invade each other's privacy?
Yeah, I know. The more he tells me not to, the more I want to see what he's hiding. Why is his home screen so boring?
Babe, how did you get that home screen?
It looks so cool. What? You went through my phone? You just told me not to go through yours.
Just tell me, please.
Fine, I use Themify. They have so many home screen options that you can customize yourself.
Yeah, so cool. I'm gonna go get us food now.
Good thing he forgot his phone here. Now I can go through it. Wait, why is there so many pictures of my mom here?
Stay with me. I don't want you to leave.
1 million or a crown? Of course the 1 million. What? Why? This crown is so strange. It doesn't even fit. Why did everyone buy a new car?
Because everyone chose the 1 million.
Life is so unfair. Hey Mom, I'm home.
Hey honey, you chose the money, right?
Yes, of course.
Attention students, tomorrow there'll be a costume party at school. Everyone's supposed to wear a costume.
But I don't have a costume. I only have this crown and this dress. The only thing I can dress as is a princess. Okay, it doesn't look that bad. Mom, can you take me to school?
Yes, of course I can, Your Majesty. You don't even have to ask.
Hello everyone.
Your Majesty, what are you doing here?
What do you mean by that?
Our queen is here. Everyone kneel down.
A billion could never buy. We gonna party like it's 30 as well tonight. I wanna show you all the fine that they like. So just forget about the world, we young tonight. I'm coming for ya, I'm coming for ya. 'Cause all I need is a beauty and a beat.
Where Where's my assignment book, Mom? Really? What are you holding right now? Oh yeah, it's in my hands. I'm going to school now. Hopefully I'm not late for school. Huh? I can see someone's intentions? Morning. Morning, Amara. Your assignment book is so pretty. You want to cheat from my homework, right? Yeah, I do. Is that okay? Because I'm feeling nice today, I'll help you out. Yay! Thank you. Give me the book back. You're only using me for my homework. Turns out you can see someone's intentions, huh? Class, today's my birthday and I'm inviting you all to my house. Really, miss? That means we're getting free cake. And free food. I'm so excited to go to our teacher's house. If that's the case, I'm not going to eat anything today, so I can eat lots of food when we get to the party. That's right. I'm going to be sending you guys the full address by text later.
Weird. Why can't I read the teacher's intentions? Maybe her intentions are bad.
Don't you find it weird how Miss invited us to her birthday party? I thought she hated birthday parties. Yeah, I guess it's weird. By the way, you can see people's intentions. Why don't you look at our teacher's intentions? I already tried, but nothing showed up. It's okay. What's important is that today we can eat for free. Hey, Amara, please make sure you arrive at my house early before the others. Huh? Why? I have something special for you. Special? You don't have any bad intentions, right? Obviously not. Why would I have bad intentions towards my own student? Okay, miss. Mom, I'm going out now, okay? Because my teacher invited me to her birthday party. Have you seen your teacher's intentions? No, I tried, but I couldn't see it. Isn't it really weird? It's okay, just put these glasses on, and when you're in front of your teacher, take them off and you'll be able to see her intentions. Okay, thank you, Mom. Hey guys, I'm here. Whoa, nice glasses. You look cool. By the way, have you seen how much food there is? I'm gonna go eat something now. Okay, be careful not to eat too much. Where's the teacher? Didn't she tell me to come here first? Why is there so many people here already? Psst, Amara, come with me. Yes, miss. Because you're my favorite student, I'm gonna give you my bank card. It has a lot of money in it. Wait, why are you giving me this? No reason. The point is, you have to accept the money. Okay, I'm gonna accept the money, but before that, I'm gonna remove my glasses first.